So the plan is put the box here, have it go through the garage. I mean the coat closet, and then from the coat closet down into the basement. And then if I need to, I could just park the truck where it's at and just have the cord come from under the garage corner to go out there to charge. And then eventually, if I do have space, once everything is cleared out in here, I could just reverse the truck in and then have it charging right there. Just be moved over a little more to the middle. So what I did, instead of actually going through the entire wall into the closet, cut a big hole out, went right through here, made a hole straight through into the basement. And now I'm gonna just straighten this cord out, and I'm gonna go ahead and set it up to just go right through the basement ceiling into the circuit box. All right, so in here, let me see if I can show you. Right up there is where the hole is that I just drilled from my garage into my ceiling of my basement. And now I'm making 1-inch holes to go all the way through, straight to the breaker box, so we could get this level 2 charging station set up in the garage. You ain't gonna be able to really see it. That's why it's a thick wire, 6'3" wire. It's pretty thick. Alright, so now that's going through here. We're gonna get it through the whole entire ceiling. This was a workout. This line is thick, so you can't really manipulate and move it around like how you want to. But what I did was, I had it pretty much drop to the floor, so then that way, when we take this box off and we have enough space to use these two for the breaker, for the GFCI 50 amp circuit breaker. So we got enough space for that. We got some slack, and we'll go into the garage, and then we'll make sure that that fits on the 240 volt outlet in the garage. Mm-hmm. So now we just got the 6'3" connected to this box. This is when you get the master electrician, because I don't touch this part. You get the superheroes for this part. So now we good, EV charge. We're gonna go ahead and install this, plug this to the wall. And now, this is gonna take 7 hours, and I'll be at a full charge. It's fire. So now, got it mounted on. Got the box down. It's gonna go out here to do the charging outside. Once my garage is cleaned up and organized, we'll reverse back in. The charger will be on that side of the wall, and we'll be charged up. Yes, sir. Time to customize this bad boy. Let's start by taking this off. Putting this on. Boom.